I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Maggie May Mixed Media Challenge. And I did not film Mondays. It's on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it's hosted by Lee of Lee Creates. Be sure and check out her channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Maggie May Art. But Mondays was Music to My Eyes, and I had this pretty digital that I laid down. It had the flower, and this came from a Sunday school book. I just happened to see it Sunday when I was in church, and so I just fussy cut her playing the violin out, and it says, "Be your beautiful self." And this one was very simple. I've been behind, hadn't felt like crafting the way I should, so I just had fun doing this yesterday and decided not to film it. But today I'm going to film. This one is Mark Who, the mark making or intuitive scripting. I'm sorry, I can't speak this morning. So I'm going to do mark making. And I always find it fun to, like this is just an old off sheet where I do jelly printing and I clean my stencils and stuff. So I always like using that. I think it's fun. So I'm going to do this and then I'll just glue it into my Maggie May book. But I enjoy the, I think it's called Neurograph or something like that. And I did this when I did Lee's challenges before, and it was just a lot of fun. You can take a quarter, or I'm using a button, and you just let it go where it wants to lead you. And then you just decorate the inside. It's a lot of fun, and it is kind of relaxing too. Little booger's not easy to steer. And a quarter may be better. It has more heft to it. So I'm going to go with that. And let's see, I think I need a darker marker that's more narrow, and I think that's it. Okay. And I'm just going to kind of go over these lines. I thought my gel pen would do fine, but it didn't. But I hope everybody's doing great today. I'm doing good. I'm just going to let that one meet there. Okay. And it looks like this pen's not gonna, well, I have to use my Posca. Yeah, it looks better. This has always been a fun thing to do. I enjoy it. But I think I'm going to speed this part up and play some music, and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to just where the lines kind of, didn't quite meet, I'm just going to thicken that. And for the Neuroplast, basically what you do is where there's any connection, you kind of fill in those parts. And just wherever any line intersects. And um, now I'm just going to decorate some of the bubbles. This one, I'm just going to kind of go with what's already inside from my jelly print. Thought that would be fun. All right. I like it. Kind of makes me think of fish scales. And if you wonder what I keep looking at, I've got, it's been so long since I've done any doodling. And I just had some down. See, stripes are always good, and since this one's a small one, I'm just going to go with the stripes here. And maybe some dots. Okay. And let's see what would be a good one here. Oh, this one was a fun one. Around that a little bit more. And just fill it up. enjoy the jelly printing. I did it a couple of months ago. I need to do some more. I can't find the ones I did the last time. I'm sure I stuck them somewhere. These were wipe-off papers from a long time ago. I hang on to everything, but I like how that turned out. I hope you do as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Lee's channel at Lee Creates. It's listed in my description box, and check out the hashtag Maggie May Art. So until next time, bye y'all.